Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make tacos 3 ways. It's the very first video I've ever recorded, so enjoy and be nice because it's not perfect. Okay, so here's a list of the main ingredients you will need. Of course, you can add any of your favorite items that you usually use when you make tacos, but here's what I use. Now let's start with the black bean tacos. Okay, first, let's start with some olive oil and garlic. Get that going in a saucepan. When you see your garlic start to brown, just throw in your black beans. I don't drain it at all. I leave all the liquid from the can. Next, you want to add in your diced onion and give that a spin as well. Season your beans with salt, pepper, and some chili flakes just for a little kick. Simmer that on low until all the liquid is almost evaporated. If it gets too dry, you can always add some water and simmer again. Now let's work on our shrimp tacos. After you've peeled and cleaned your shrimp, season them up with some red pepper flakes, garlic, Old Bay seasoning, and salt and pepper. Here is what mine look like, all seasoned up and ready to go in the pan. When your olive oil and garlic are hot and sizzling, add in your shrimp. Cook about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Your shrimp should be nice and bright pink when finished. Last but not least, let's move on to the beef tacos. After the beef is nice and seasoned, add in your lemon juice, lime juice, and garlic and let it marinate. At least an hour, but if you have longer, let it go overnight. When the pan is nice and hot, slowly add in your beef. Be careful for splashing liquid and begin to saute your meat. If there is a lot of moisture and juice still left in the pan while you're cooking, feel free to drain that off. You want to saute your beef until it's brown and crispy on the outside, then add in your diced onion. Now here's how I like to prepare my corn tortillas for my shrimp tacos and my black bean tacos. I just want to crisp up the tortilla on both sides enough for just a slight crunch, but still able to fold. For my beef tacos, I like to do those a little more like quesadillas. So I'm just heating the tortillas on both sides. Then when it's nice and hot, I add my cheese. I like to use Monterey Jack, but you can use anything between mozzarella, provolone, cojita, whatever you like. Then I add my beef and onion mixture on top and let that melt down. Then I fold it over like a quesadilla and brown on both sides. And now the best part, the toppings. I have some queso fresco right here at the bottom to finish off the tacos. I have some lime to add some acidity. And then my favorite part, the pico. I have some classic pico right here. And then I also have some pico where I like to add a little bit of pineapple. You can mix and match any toppings you want for any of the tacos. But here's how I plate up. This has been Cookingfiyah with ChefAniyah. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Comment below some things you might want to see me cook.